Hey guys, it's Jeff and today is an awesome day. We just reached 50,000 subscribers in just over a year, so thank you all for watching our videos and contributing to the channel. To celebrate all of you, there will be an iPhone X giveaway sponsored by My Wi-Fi TV, which is a cable-free internet TV service. As they are sponsoring this giveaway, I ask that you go check them out in the link below and maybe even give their service a try, as it's much cheaper compared to regular cable TV. Anyways, you might want to know how to win the giveaway, and all you guys have to do is get subscribed if you haven't already, and make sure to stay tuned for our next iOS 11.4 beta video. The video will have a secret word mixed into the video. Probably look on the bottom left-hand corner, and when you find that word, comment it in the comment section of that video, and we will choose a winner a week after that video is released. So guys, good luck to you all. Make sure to stay tuned for that upcoming video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.